So in this video, just we'll be seeing the complete overview of our website. So as we have completed our website with the home page, about us page, blog page, contact us page, or later on, just we came to know how to convert this website into e-commerce website or shopping website. So that page we have also integrated. So one by one, just we'll be having a look on this one. So yes, guys, just you can see here, this is the home page. If I click on About Us page, so you'll be going to About Us page, and the content we have already updated over here, like this way. Okay, the shop page in the previous video you became to know how to convert your website into e-commerce, and there we created some product as well. So just we'll be checking on this. So here, these products we have created. Meanwhile, in the cart, so the cart page, if you'll come over here, so we can see whatever the item you have selected. So just we have not selected any items. So in this video, just we'll be doing all this process and we'll be checking all these functions it is running okay or not. And in fact, you can create your account from here. So under my account, just you'll be creating an account. So just we'll try to create an account and just we'll see. Yes, email address we have to type. So the email address, or this is actually login process, right? So here just you can register. For example, just I'm taking my email ID and the password. Just I can set it for this one. So yes, password I have set, and simply I will click on register. Okay, so the account is already registered. So I'll try with a different uh, email. So just will try with this one, and just I'll be creating an account. So yes, I have created my account, and here you can see this is my name is coming now, and here this is the actual dashboard. So this is the dashboard. I can see my orders over here. So right now I have not ordered anything, and the address I have not updated. So like that way I will be updating the address, right? So simply now if any users they want to purchase from your website, so simply on the shop page they will be coming, and suppose I want to purchase this watch, right? So simply I'll click on this. Otherwise, the complete details I can see by clicking on the image or by clicking on the any of the link. Yes, so these are the things. So here I'll select add to cart. So yes, I'll be selecting this. So it will be added in my cart, right? So just I can see in my view cart. So if I'll come to the cart option in the cart page, so I can see whatever the items I have selected. Yes, so I have selected the item, but I have not placed an order, right? So definitely I'll be placing an order. But before that, I want to apply for the coupon as well. So coupon I'll be applying. So here just I'll apply the coupon. So coupon just I created like sale 20. So after applying the coupon code, just simply I'll click on apply coupon and we'll see whether the coupon code is working or not. So right now just it's working on that. So yes, of course we can see yes the coupon it was having I mean 20% discount. So here we can see the actual price was 4500, and when I selected my product, so by default 20% discount I have got, right? Overall product it will be like 3600. So just I'll be pressing to proceed to checkout. So now here just I have to fill the information, so like just I'm typing thing. and here just the street address or the other details I can, so I can random take any address for that one. So like I'm taking this one, phone number, just I can pick it up over here. Okay, and if I want to ship this particular product to the different address, so here I can just change the shipping address as well. So I have done, and simply I will click on place in order. So the order I have placed now, so it's working. Yes, so here you can see order received. So successfully I have placed an order. You can see the date as well, email ID and the total price, and the mode it will be COD, cash on delivery. So everything just we can see over here. This is the receipt and this is the billing address. The same thing is the shipping address, and here everything the details, I mean the phone numbers are coming over here. So that means we can say all this performing very well, all this are working very okay. Now if I come to my account, so simply the thing I can check from over there in my account. So in the order section, just I'll come over here, and here I can see the things, the order I have placed. Just I'll be pressing on view option, and here the order details, just I can see it is in under processing. So right now I have not got any product. So like that, if the order will be completed, so here the status I can see it's completed.